Okay, I'm back again. As you can see, this is the camshaft sprocket up top. You see the little line on the sprocket? I'm gonna point to it right there. What I did was mark that to highlight and show you what I'm talking about when you gotta put it in time, top dead center, and how you do that before you even move that this timing belt. You get everything down to where it's at now. So that's the reason why I'm taking steps. Once you get everything to down where you at, if this line is not lined up with that mark, you want to turn, you want to use I think it's 18 millimeter on that. It's a 12 point down there. Let me see. See that? Yeah, see that bolt at the end of the crankshaft crankshaft sprocket, I would say. That's the crank sprocket, but that bolt on the end is a 12 point 18 millimeter. You want to turn that clockwise till you get this to line up right there like that, and you can basically line it up. As you can see, I got it lined up. You look at it, it's lined up. So then you want to come down here to your bottom. Let's go down to the bottom. And you want to line up this crankshaft sprocket